Hello guys, magmukbang pa. Oh, kiwi. Tamis na ni siya guys, kay. Lata naman. Nag-iapoy aslong. Pero tamis na siya guys. Mamaak pa siya guys. Tapos nabilin guys ang katungan. Ganina, nagmukbang sa niyo cauliflower. Uba nag-ranch. Lami ra siya guys. So why ninyo guys? Ganahan kay ko guys. Lami. Lami man din cauliflower guys. Kilawon. Kuwaon guys, ay kay murag sa niya eh. Nara na guys. Noon na guys. Ito guys. Mukbang sa just yung breakfast. Itlog o rice. Karon guys, kanina sa nato imukbang. Gamay lang kay kaon akong daghan kanina. Cauliflower guys, plus ranch.
What's this?
Ang isod guys. Pobre na guys.
Mommy!
Yeah, that's made up of milk and the
Paper?
tablia, the one in the Philippines.
Oh, the paper.
Just try it.
Paper's so yummy.
My God, guys. Tapos bunta guys, nagmukbang natin.
Yum, 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 yum. Oy! 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 Mommy!
Alright ko guys.
Meow.
So that's for today's video guys.
Bye-bye.
See you on our next mukbang. Okay? Okay kayo.
Bye-bye.
So ko na sila.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye.